On Thursday morning at 7 a.m. local time, Uzbekistan will wake up to a moment many football fans have waited years to see. The national team will play its first ever World Cup match against Colombia. Across the country, schools, parks and public spaces are being transformed into fan zones as supporters prepare to watch history unfold. Behind me, kids are doing what they always do here, playing football. But in a few days, this stadium will look very different. Chairs, mats, and a giant screen will turn it into one of 208 fan zones across Uzbekistan, where communities will gather to watch the national team play at the World Cup for the very first time.
Bu muxlislar maydonida birinchi navbatda o'qituvchilar, shu maktabda o'quvchilari, atrofdagi aholi bemalol kelib tomosha qilishi mumkin. Katta ekranlarda baribir katta ekranni shukuhi boshqacha bo'ladi. Sababi yerda o'sha ichki tuyg'ularni chiqarishda, do'stlarini yonida turib, ularni bag'riga bosib, minnatdorchilik va xursandchilikni chiqarishda o'ziga yarasha zavqi bo'ladi.
The anticipation is visible far beyond the fan zones. Flags, posters and images of the national team have appeared in shops, cafes and public spaces across the country. Among the symbols of this World Cup campaign is Bek, the official mascot of the Uzbekistan squad.
I think it will have a huge impact on kids, on the young population going into football.
Avvalo qatnashishni o'zi katta yutuq. Bu birinchi marotaba chiqishimiz deb o'ylayman. Endi keyingi musobaqalarda yoki keyingi o'yinlarda yaxshi natijalar kutamiz. Avvalo Xudo xolasa birinchi natijamiz shu guruh bosqichidan chiqishini tilayman.
Support has also spread across social media. Content creators from across Central Asia have been posting messages of encouragement, backing the first team from the region ever to reach a World Cup. The wait is almost over. For decades, Uzbekistan watched the World Cup as spectators. On Thursday morning, for the first time, it will be part of it.